Um, the Honorable Minister says that the demand is in three areas, meat workers, medical, and aged care. Can you, are there opportunities for other sectors, Honorable Minister? Is there a dialogue to expand this? I ask Honorable Speaker because I believe there's also demand for some technical builders and maybe electricians and plumbers and all that, Honorable Speaker. So is dialogue also heading in a direction of broadening what would be required in Australia? Thank you.
Honorable Minister, you have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker Say, and I thank the honourable member. Through dialogue and negotiation, we have managed to engage our Fijian workers in these three sectors, and dialogue is continuing with the other employers to see how we can send our Fijian workers in other areas as well. Thank you.
Thank you. We'll move on.